CapCut used to be the go-to video editor for creators who wanted powerful editing tools without paying a dime. For years, it was celebrated as one of the best free video editing apps out there. But in 2025, CapCut has made some significant changes that have had many creators questioning if it's still the right choice for them. What was once a robust, all-in-one video editing tool has become a little more restrictive. Features that used to be free are now behind a paywall, watermarks are reappearing, and the frustration is palpable across social media. So, the burning question is, should you upgrade to CapCut Pro, or is it finally time to look for a better alternative? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into everything CapCut has changed in 2025, weigh the pros and cons of upgrading to CapCut Pro, and look at some solid alternatives that may be worth your time and money. If you've been considering whether CapCut is still worth your time, keep watching. To understand the current situation, we first need to look up what's changed in CapCut Free. As I mentioned earlier, CapCut used to be a beloved free editor. It provided powerful tools that allowed creators to make professional quality videos without paying a cent, but those days are over. Here's a rundown of the major changes. Let's talk about the watermarks first. Watermarks are back, and they're appearing on a variety of exports. For example, if you use CapCut's templates or popular effects, you'll get a watermark on your final video. This is especially frustrating for creators working on brand content or social media posts. Imagine you've spent hours editing a video, and when you go to export it, you realize that the watermark ruins the clean, professional look you were going for. Not only does this decrease the quality of your content, but it can hurt your brand's image as well. And if you're working with clients, it's pretty much a deal breaker. Clients expect a polished, watermark-free video, and you can't deliver that with the free version of CapCut anymore. Another big loss is the slow motion effects. Previously, CapCut allowed you to create smooth slow motion clips for free, perfect for adding drama or emphasis to certain moments. But now, motion interpolation, which smooths out slow motion footage, is a pro feature. This has upset many users, especially those who relied on it for cinematic shots. Slow motion is a staple in video editing, and CapCut Free used to handle it beautifully, but now it feels like a step back. Then, there's motion blur. This is another feature that gave edits that professional, cinematic feel. Motion blur helps smooth out transitions between clips and makes cuts look more natural. It's an essential tool for editors who want to create that Hollywood look. Unfortunately, motion blur is now locked behind the Pro version, which means that free users are left without this creative tool. Let's not forget about premium fonts, captions, and text animations. These used to be some of the most fun and creative features CapCut offered in the free version. But now, the Pro version has exclusive access to fancy fonts, animated text templates, and stylish captions that can make your videos pop. If you're making tutorials, intros, or even storytelling videos, having the right text animations can make all the difference. Without them, your content feels a little bland. Stickers and templates have also been impacted. Many of the popular templates, which used to be free, are now locked behind the Pro version. This is particularly frustrating for creators who like to use templates for their content creation, as CapCut's templates were some of the best on the market. On top of that, if you use these templates in the free version, your final video will have a watermark, which we already know can be a huge issue for creators. AI Background Remover was one of CapCut's most useful tools for creating clean, polished videos, especially for faceless content, product showcases, or anything where you want to remove distracting backgrounds. It made editing so much easier and faster, but now, this tool is only available in CapCut Pro. It's frustrating because it was one of the best features in the free version, and many creators relied on it for professional-looking videos. Lastly, we have noise reduction and video stabilization. These tools were vital for creators who want to produce high-quality content. Noise reduction helps get rid of background sounds and distractions, while video stabilization smooths out shaky footage. These two features were once available for free, but now they're only available in the Pro version. Without them, your videos might look or sound unpolished, which is a deal breaker for serious content creators. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. Creators all across social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, and Instagram have been expressing their frustration with these changes. Many feel that CapCut's shift towards a more premium model feels like a betrayal. After all, CapCut was built on the idea of offering great features for free. Now, that accessibility is gone. Some creators feel especially upset because they've invested a lot of time and effort into learning CapCut. They've built their editing style around the app, and now they're faced with limitations that didn't exist before. There's a sense that CapCut has lost touch with its original audience. There are even online petitions like Make CapCut Free Again that have gained attention. Creators are feeling stuck because they either have to pay to unlock the features they used to have for free or search for alternatives. For some, the frustration is driving them to switch to other platforms entirely, and they're actively exploring other video editing apps that can offer what CapCut used to. That said, not all feedback is negative. Some users are willing to pay for the Pro version, especially for the advanced tools and features it provides. However, they still feel that CapCut should have been more transparent about the changes or offered more flexibility in the free version. Despite the negative feedback, CapCut Pro does have some solid features. If you decide to go Pro, here's what you get. First and foremost, you get no watermark on exports. This is essential for creators, especially those working in the business or brand space. A watermark-free video gives your content a more professional look and is crucial if you're making videos for clients or businesses. Full access to effects, transitions, filters, and overlays is another major perk of CapCut Pro. This includes everything from cinematic transitions to premium visual effects that elevate your content. Whether you're making a travel vlog, a product review, or a tutorial, these tools will help make your videos more engaging and visually appealing. The full font and text library is a game changer. With CapCut Pro, you get access to stylish fonts, dynamic text animations, and creative title templates. This is especially useful for creators who need to make compelling intros, outros, or caption-driven content. CapCut Pro also unlocks premium music and stock footage. You get access to a massive library of royalty-free music and stock clips that you can use commercially. This is a huge time saver, as you won't have to search for copyright-free content. Plus, it helps ensure your content stays professional and legally compliant. The advanced AI tools are another major advantage. Features like the background remover, auto captions, and noise cancelling make the editing process faster and more efficient. Ad-based enhancements also help optimize your videos automatically, saving you time and energy. In addition, some regions offer cloud storage for Pro users. You can get up to 100 gigabytes of cloud storage to back up your projects, making it easier to work across multiple devices. No more worrying about losing your work due to device storage limitations. Lastly, CapCut Pro offers an ad-free interface, allowing you to focus on your editing without interruptions. This is especially useful for creators who want a streamlined, smooth editing experience. CapCut Pro pricing in 2025. CapCut Pro is available in several pricing plans. The monthly plan costs $7.99, the 3-month plan is $21.99, and the annual plan is $74.99, equivalent to about $6.25 a month. There's also a 7-day free trial for new users, which lets you test out the Pro features before committing to a subscription. So, is CapCut Pro worth the upgrade? If you're just starting out or only create videos occasionally, you might be okay sticking with the free version. You'll still have access to the basics, although with watermarks and fewer creative tools. But if you're a content creator, freelancer, or business owner, CapCut Pro is likely worth the investment. For less than $8 a month, you get access to a comprehensive suite of professional editing tools, faster editing through AI, and clean exports, plus the ability to work without ads or watermarks. When you consider how much other video editing software costs, CapCut Pro is quite affordable. If CapCut Pro isn't the right choice for you, don't worry, there are several great alternatives available. For example, the InVideo editor is completely free with no watermark and a ton of advanced features. It's perfect for creators who want pro-level tools without the price tag. InShot is another solid alternative, offering both free and Pro versions. The Pro version is priced at $3.99 a month or $14.99 year and is great for mobile users who need quick, stylish edits. Filmora has a mobile version with a watermark and a desktop pro version at $19.99 month or $49.99 year. It's great for creators who want an easy-to-use platform with tons of built-in effects. Adobe Premiere Rush offers a free version with limited exports and a pro version at $9.99 a month. It's ideal for those who are already using Adobe apps. Lastly, DaVinci Resolve is completely free for desktop users and offers advanced editing tools used in professional film production. The studio version costs $295, but the free version is incredibly powerful for serious editors. In conclusion, CapCut's shift to a premium model has been a game changer for many creators. If you're serious about editing and want access to advanced features without a hefty price tag, CapCut Pro is definitely worth considering. However, if you're just starting out or don't mind the limitations of the free version, there are plenty of free alternatives that can meet your needs. What do you think? Is CapCut Pro worth the price, or are you considering switching to another platform? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video filled with tips, reviews, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.